I am so excited that I was able to find at least 2 pieces that I really liked in order to add to my collection. Hi guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is May, also known as Mrs. Leyva here on YouTube, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. As you can see behind me, I definitely like the brand POLENE. I love their handbags. I have a ton of videos in regards to their handbags up on my channel, so I'll make sure to list a playlist for you guys down in the description box below. And when I saw that they were coming out with a jewelry line, I was super excited. Now, if you did catch my new release video that I did in regards to POLENE's jewelries and a few other new releases from different fashion houses, the pieces that were released from POLENE unfortunately didn't capture my heart as much as I thought they would. I mentioned in that video that I was expecting some sort of like unique pieces, yet very chic and very Parisian-like, and I felt like they went with very bold statement-like pieces. However, in that video, I did mention one piece that ultimately caught my eye. And I don't know how I oversaw this second piece that I will be sharing today, but I am so excited that I was able to find at least 2 pieces that I really liked in order to add to my collection. I have not yet opened the box. She is literally just as she came. I did give myself these little 2 pieces for my birthday, which just recently passed, but I wanted to do a true unboxing and like a first impressions here with you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, I haven't seen a lot of videos here on YouTube, but I did see a video over on TikTok of somebody unboxing the pieces that they had ordered, and the packaging seems very interesting, so I'm excited to take a look into that. All right, so far we just have a big box here, and then we have a smaller box here, and another one on this side. So these are the 2 boxes that we have so far. Let's go ahead and open the first one. Okay, so I sat down just so that I can be a little bit more comfortable and closer to you guys. So here is the box. It's just a simple white box. Wow, so cute. You have POLENE there on the flap, and this is the first piece. Very, very impressed with the packaging. Let me throw that down there. So here you have the packaging for the first piece. I'm not sure, I think this is carton because it does feel like a little box-like, and then you just have this sort of like scrunchie type fabric across with the new POLENE logo that they did release a few months, I think, before the jewelry line was released. So you just remove that from here, and this fabric piece is glued on in the back, so it's not like you can actually just take this from there. It's just a piece of decoration, I guess, for the packaging. That's cute. And then here is the POLENE little box. It does say the style in the back, so I won't share that yet. All right, so we open it up like so, and we have a little dust bag inside. I can't wait. And here's the dust bag to share with you guys the first piece that I added, and it is their beautiful ring. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this was that piece that had ultimately caught my eye as soon as I saw the release of the jewelry line. Now, it's basically like 2 rings sort of interwoven together, so I thought it was a very dainty detail. However, it still made some sort of a statement. As you can see, I'm always wearing some sort of ring on my right hand. I do wear my wedding set on my left hand, but on my right hand I always like to play around with rings, and I thought that this one would be so much fun. Now, I did want to go over a little bit of the jewelry line in general. So these are being made in Florence, Italy. If you aren't aware, POLENE does have a boutique in Paris, and they recently opened one here in New York in the States. However, their handbags are handcrafted in Spain, and now their jewelry is being made in Italy. It is 100% brass, and it does have a very thin layer of 24 karat gold over top. So I'm looking forward to seeing how well it does hold up. I'm sure that due to the fact that it is a 24 karat gold, there might be some scratches that will be seen over time. So I will definitely do a review down the line for you guys as to how these pieces hold up. Now, without keeping you waiting any longer, let's go ahead and get into the second piece that I did add. So here we have box number 2. As you can tell, it has not been opened. Let's go ahead and open it together. I do have to say this box is actually a little large for what I ordered, so we'll see. Once again, you do have the POLENE branding on the flap of the box and another beautiful packaging here. I sort of wish, whoa. Anyways, I sort of wish that this actually came with the packaging itself. I think it's such a nice little detail, especially that it does have the POLENE sort of logo there. Unfortunately, as I mentioned, it is glued on the other piece. Maybe I could remove it and put it on here. We'll play around with that later. All right, and then here we have the beautiful packaging. I don't know if you can see, but it also has POLENE sort of engraved here. I'll make sure to do a close-up for you all. And to reveal the second piece, which I got. Okay, this one comes with a little booklet. We'll see what's on there now. But she does come in this little dust bag here. Wow, definitely a lot of space for what I ordered. So they are the beautiful little studs, and I'll make sure to put the exact names of the pieces on the screen for you guys, but it is these. Oh my God, they are stunning. This is exactly what I was expecting from this jewelry line. I was expecting something that was unique to the fashion house, something that you don't really see out and about too much, but at the same time that it kept it very classic and very Parisian fashion-wise. I think of Paris fashion or European fashion in general, and I just think of very classic-looking outfits put together, a white collared shirt with a pair of straight-leg jeans, some loafers, a nice tote bag, nothing too loud, nothing too crazy, and that's exactly what I wanted the brand to deliver. So as I said, these were some that I don't know how, but I didn't see on the website. I even messaged my friend and was like, oh my God, did they just release a new pair of earrings? She's like, no, those have been there. And I was like, oh no, I definitely need to try them because I ultimately wanted to add something. I just didn't want to add one ring. And then when I saw those and I saw the ring, I thought that they would pair together so nicely. So I'm super excited that I was able to find these on the website because I had obviously overseen them and add them into my collection. I feel like they're very dainty, but once again, they're still gonna make some sort of statement. And you guys, the attention to detail on these is absolutely beautiful. I'll make sure to do close-ups, but they do have the POLENE logo on the side, and then they also went ahead and engraved POLENE on the other side of the backing. The backing is very unique as well. It's sort of like a square rather than your typical butterfly backing. So I thought that was a really unique and interesting touch. These are also 100% brass and gilded with that 24 karat gold. So again, I honestly feel like they are going to wear really, really well. But as I said, as I wear them and if I see any sort of changes or any sort of wear, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. Most likely over on my Instagram because that's where I do like little tiny reviews just so that I don't have to film a full-on video. And then we also have this little book which came with the earrings, and it's just basically letting you know about the maintenance. It tells you to avoid water or any sort of cosmetic or chemical products. I mean, it's gold. I don't think anything is gonna happen to it if I do get in the water with it, but I will probably just avoid the ocean, especially for these pieces, because I feel like these are pieces that I will incorporate more if I am going out. I also wanted to share really quick that these little felt bags or dust bags for the jewelry are really nicely made as well. The exterior is a more of a fabric type, but inside you do have a very soft, like felt type of material. And then you do have a couple of sections in order to put your jewelry. So this is a great piece to just have and even use for when you travel. Now, I totally forgot to mention price, so I wanted to get into that really quick. We do have the ring, which retails for 160 USD, and the earrings are actually 150 for the pair. I personally feel like they are fairly priced for what you are getting. You are paying for the brand, obviously, for the name of POLENE. However, with that being said, I do have high hopes for these pieces and do feel like they will end up holding well since they do have the gilded 24 karat detail on them. So again, could they have been probably a little bit less expensive? Yes, but I still think within that $100 price range, it's not too bad of a price point. All right, guys, so that does it for this video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know down below what your ultimate thoughts are in regards to the new POLENE jewelry line. If you are new around here, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button down below, and I appreciate you taking some time out of your day to watch today. I will leave 2 other videos linked here for you to catch next, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye everyone.